In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly migrate data from one QuickBooks account to another. By the end, you'll have a clean Excel export of your key data ready to move into your new account. We'll keep this simple, clear, and efficient. Start in your QuickBooks account with the company you're moving data from. Look to the top right of the screen for the small gear icon, also known as Settings. That gear is your control center for tools and company options. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions, ideally as an admin, so you can access export features without running into restrictions. Open the gear and choose Export Data. This brings you to a dedicated page that gathers the most important information you'll want to take with you. On this page, you'll typically see two areas: reports and lists. Reports are your historical snapshots, things like profit and loss, balance sheet, and general ledger, while lists are the building blocks of your file, such as your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, and products and services. Before exporting, take a moment to review what's included. Use the date range filters on the report side if you want to limit the export to a particular period. That can keep your files lighter and reduce cleanup later. On the list side, confirm that the items you care about are selected. This is a great time to streamline. If there are lists you know you won't use in your new account, you can leave them unchecked to avoid clutter. When your selections look right, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will compile your choices and create one or more Excel files, often delivered as a single zip download. If you don't see a file right away, watch for a browser prompt or a blocked pop-up message and allow the download. Larger datasets may take an extra minute, so let the process finish. Once the file lands in your downloads, consider moving it to a clearly named folder so it's easy to find later. Open the exported Excel files to spot check a few things. Confirm column headers look familiar, totals make sense for the date range you chose, and your key lists, like customers and accounts, appear complete. This doesn't change anything in your source company. It simply gives you confidence that the export captured what you need. That's it. You've prepared a clean export from your original QuickBooks account, organized in Excel and ready for migration. Keep the file secure, document the date range you used, and you'll be set for a smooth transition into your new setup. Thanks for watching and good luck with your move.